Welcome to Wealth Rhythm, the latest wealth attracting secret that changes lives and brings success like never before. If you are tired of failed strategies and want to discover a scientifically proven method to wealth, this is the talk for you. Wealth Rhythm is a revolutionary approach to attracting wealth that goes beyond your financial mindset. This system considers the interconnectedness of all aspects of your life, including your physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual well-being. The beauty of the Wealth Rhythm is that it provides a gradual approach to manifestation, using the principles of resonance and synchronicity. This means that by following the rhythm of your wealth, you will attract more abundance, success, and happiness into your life. In this talk, we will dive into the basic principles of the Wealth Rhythm, and how you can begin to use these laws of attraction to create the life you desire. Whether you're just starting out or have struggled with wealth, this secret will finally unlock the door to your financial freedom. So join me on this incredible journey to discover the true power of the Wealth Rhythm and unleash the wealth potential that lies within you. Together, we will learn how to create a life of abundance, purpose, and fulfillment. Don't miss this unique opportunity to change your financial situation. Join us today and discover the secrets of the rhythm of wealth so you can finally attract the wealth, success, and happiness you deserve.